Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Blip HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to download the Blip HR application from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. After you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Blip and start your search. Once you find the Blip application by Bright HR, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Blip application. Wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Blip application. You can now tap on Login with Bright HR and you will be taken into the login page. Now just type in your email address within the email address box that you used while signing up for your account. You can then type in your password within the password box. Now click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Blip HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password to reset your credentials. And you also have the option to sign in with your Apple, Facebook, Google or Microsoft account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Blip HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.